Hey, today on the channel, we got an '05 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic. The customer stated it won't shift. So he said he already took it to a motorcycle shop and they already get a quote on the problem. So I'm assuming they already found it. He got a dummy wheel on it for the push it, cause I guess it's stuck in gear and can't move it. So, got the other wheel over here also. I was gonna put that on and confirm his suspicion, but I think first thing I'm gonna do is follow the telltale signs. I guess the motorcycle shop already figured out the problem, so I'm gonna follow their lead. You can see bolts already loose here, one missing here. So I'm assuming they got the cover off. I'm gonna check the shifter cam first, and if it's not that, then I go and put the other wheel on. I also have the bolt loose back here also. So I'm gonna get this cover off and see. I can see the shifter cam is this the problem, but let me get the cover off and I'll get you back on. Okay, I got all the Allen screws out, Allen bolts. Still 5mm, and I went ahead and pulled my shift lever. Still 10mm. The bolts go all the way through, so you got to remove the bolt entirely for to get the shift lever off. And now I have to remove the footrest in order to get the cover on off. And it's two 14mm bolts. They already been rubbed on also. So like I said, someone already been here. Let me get them off and I get the cover pulled on off, and we'll see what's behind it. Okay, we got the cover off, and to get to the shifter cam, we had to remove the final drive assembly. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna put the back wheel back on and try to replicate what the customer complained about, talk to him a little bit more, see exactly what's going on, so we know what direction we need to head in to fix it. Because to pull this final drive assembly is a lot of work. You have to put the rear swing on, the drive shaft, the rear wheel, and yeah, I'm not gonna do it as part of the diagnostic process. So it's like it might shift from one gear, but I'm gonna get battery in there, see what's going on with it, and see if I can get it in neutral, and we just go from there. Okay, we back with the Vulcan 1500. We got okay the tear down on it. So what I did was I removed my exhaust pipe on this side, got them out the way, and I lifted it up using the frame. I used the board under it, but I lifted it up under the engine, and I used jack stands on both sides for to hold it up. I removed the rear swing arm, the rear wheel, got it apart, and what we found was the engine is actually in neutral. I thought the shifter cam might have been broken or whatever, but the other one still look pretty good. You can shift it. See, it goes into first, goes back into neutral. So he thought it was the problem with the transmission, but I seen the metal shavings in there, and what I found was it was actually this guy. The case that covers this, it have a bearing in the back, with this gear that sits in, and the bearing was bad. I guess the guy fell on the bike, and the gear like ate the back of the case, and he gonna see if he can find a replacement real quick at the motorcycle shop. But the pinion gear still good. I know I should have it sit on the ground like this, but it is what it is. And now that we found the problem, we just gonna see if we can replace that bearing and get everything back in place and see if it runs. I'm gonna get you back on when I need to make a little more progress. Okay, we got the new bearing in. Drive shaft and now turns. Got the case side back on. That's not turned. First gear. So we just put it back together now.
Looks like you're going straight down the road.